In this video, we are going to explore the parallel gateway. The parallel gateway has a plus sign in its middle and it is used to model concurrent paths in a process. It splits the process into parallel paths that run independently. First, let's understand how it differs from an exclusive gateway. The parallel gateway triggers all outgoing branches at the same time without checking any condition, while the exclusive gateway selects only one branch based on a specific condition. So when using the parallel gateway, there is no question we have to answer and therefore no decisions we have to make. When the process flow reaches a parallel gateway, something important happens. A token is created for each outgoing branch. And as I said before, this means that all outgoing branches are activated simultaneously. So if the gateway has 3 outgoing paths, we now have 3 tokens, one moving along each branch. These tokens continue independently until they reach a point where they need to rejoin. And that's where the closing parallel gateway comes into play. The closing parallel gateway waits for all incoming tokens before allowing the process to continue. So if there are 3 incoming paths, the gateway will not proceed until all 3 tokens have arrived. Only when all parallel branches are completed does the process move forward with a single token. This behavior is known as synchronization, and it's crucial to avoid deadlocks or race conditions in your process model, but more on that later. For now, just remember, the parallel gateway is perfect when tasks can or must be performed simultaneously. If you enjoyed this video and want to become truly confident in process modeling, check out my complete BPMN Masterclass on Udemy. The link is in the description below.